Still wrap up, you know. Wrap up everything now. Hope you don't go over the commercial David Car, cause David, I ain't gonna call lang man for that. Jackknife, you know, yeah.
Where you go?
No, follow it now.
Bombard Star. Could this a fussy van man yeah? Should I just I just love trucks. Wagwan. Yes.